Okay, so let me just talk about the difference between trending and ranging. Obviously, if you look on this daily chart here, there are trends within this consolidation area, and once you understand how support and resistance works, you can then look at making money in those sections. But here we have a situation where price has broken out of this consolidation area and has started a little trend. As you can see, price has dropped down quite quickly, and as we move on, we suddenly get to an area of consolidation. Now, getting back to what I said earlier, this is the point when at that moment, over that period of a week, you have a situation where the market considers that price fair value, and price will hold while there's buying interest. But as you can see by some of these bearish bars, there's still a lot of selling interest at this point. But what we do is we mark that area now as a potential support area, and then we move on. Again, you can see a situation where excuse me, price has broken out of that support area, and this trend which was established here has continued. As you can see, it's continued quite dramatically. But then we get another situation where the downtrend is halted just for a little while, and we get a little bit of buying interest here. In fact, we get quite a bit of buying interest. Now, understanding support and resistance is to understand the fact that an area of support, once broken, has the potential to become an area of resistance at a later date. So here we've had a nice trend down, a little bit of support, further trend down, and a bit more support here. So let's move the chart on and see what happens at this point when prices come back up to this support area, and see if in actual fact it does become resistance. There we can see the first bit of indecision around that area, and price has come back, and as you can see, once it's decided to go back, it's heading straight down for this previous area of support. So let's see if that holds now, and in this case it hasn't. Price has broken down, but then it's met another area of support, and price has started to reverse again. Once that major area of support has been broken, price drops down again. So I'm going to stop this video here because it's just a quick introduction of how trends occur once a breakout of a consolidation area happens, how there will be a point during that trend when price will meet some support where there's some buying interest, and how price will break out of that, come down and find another area of support, and most of the time it will go back up and retest that previous area of support, which then becomes resistance, and price falls again. Okay, I'll follow this up with a bit more analysis at a later date.